Hey, what's up guys? I'm in Hoi An, Vietnam, and I just want to show you some of the streets here and the river boats and the river lanterns and the water lanterns. It's going to rain soon, so hopefully I make this video quick because it's very cloudy up there and I can feel a little bit of rain coming. But let me show you what I'm looking at. So this is the street, and you can see there are a lot of lanterns, and this area is very picturesque. We have some nerds taking some photos here. This is the famous Japanese bridge. Here we have more nerds taking photos. A lot of people take photos here as well. It's popular to take photos with these fuchsia flowers. These are the famous river boats or lantern boats in Hoi An. There's a lot more lantern boats on this side of the river. So there's a water lantern right there.
Hello.
Yeah, see, she speaks English very well.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Oh, nice to meet you. So right behind me, you can pay and take some photos with these lanterns. It's very popular here. So those were some of the water lanterns and the lantern boats here in Hoi An. It's super hot. I'm just walking along this street. There's a lot of bars here, so people try to get you into the bar to drink for happy hour. But yeah, this is a very beautiful place, but a lot of tourists, super touristy. But I'll see you guys later in the next video. And as always, live easy, sleep breezy, and stay lovely.